about to do this for some money, y'all. We're going that big time run.
They got away with that first, motherfucker. They got away with that first, bitch. Shit. Say. Damn good race. Hey, who left first? Who left first? Bang, bang, motherfucker. Bang, bang, motherfucker. What's Steven? What's these fucking bang, bang, motherfucker, bang, bang. Damn good race.
Hey, Lo, where was you been there?
I hit 220, shit.
Malibu.
Good little curse about my man Drake on the back, the hot rod back to this. They got a drug right.
I wonder, is it a way I can or Twitch videos necessary to be tagged? Like, should I put tags in it to try to get more attention to it? Where should I put the tags at? Could it be y'all be doing the tagging, or do I gotta put the tags in a certain spot?